a drum line behind us, but that's not going to stop us from talking markets. Heading into the market close, stocks right near record highs, taking a breather. No one better to talk to than with a festive holiday spirit than an NYSE community resident and, of course, longtime favorite, Jay Woods. Thanks for joining, my friend.
And thanks for having me. This is epic, to say the least. I can barely hear myself talk, but it is great to be here in chilly outside of the New York Stock Exchange.
I know. We got to get you some gloves, Jay. You're such a trooper for doing
got
this.
A hat. I'm good.
I like that. Fly, Eagles, fly, right?
Go Birds.
So we got the drum line going behind us, Jay, but of course we got to talk some markets heading into the closing bell. And what do you like this time of year?
Well, it's been a heck of a year. So when you get a big opportunity to party like this, you want it to be on a year where the S&P 500 is up 27%, following an up 23% year, 56 new record highs in the S&P 500. I got to go back inside, see if we get 57. What do I like? I like the fact that we're having a broadening rally. The market is lifting most of the boats right now. That is as bullish as it can get. So to me, let's be more specific. But technology right now is where I think the action is.
Okay, so let's talk the so-called Santa Claus rally, right? December is a seasonally strong time of the year for stocks, especially toward the back half with that Santa Claus rally. What seasonal trends are in play right now for stocks?
Well, if you talk about seasonal trends, yes, December has been up an average of about 3.16% to be exact. When we have October, where we're up 20% going into November, December. But right now, I mean, everything is just on fire. But then what you have to watch for are money managers and how they, asset allocate towards the end of the year. You'd like to see people tax harvest losses. There aren't many losses to tax harvest. That's very positive as well. And then you see people chase performance. So those high-flying stocks are still catching a bid. Those leaders are going up again. We see it in some Magnificent Seven stocks. And then the other trend I'm seeing, people looking for bargains. Stocks that have been down, beaten down, are starting to catch up. We've seen Target come back to life. Stocks that haven't been performing as well as most of the S&P 500. So to me, this is a very bullish time, and it should set us up nicely to start off 2025.
Can I tell you, I've been buying a lot of holiday gear on Target this year. There's been a lot of good selection.
And Target's a great place. So this is Vineyard Vines.
I was going to say, so you obviously know how to get into the spirit, Jay, with the apparel.
It's been fun, and I'm looking at all like the mascots and everything around here. I saw a holiday reindeer that looked like a goat, and then I saw the Energizer Bunny, Santa. It's been chaotic, and I don't know if the viewers can hear us with the drum line behind us, but they're amazing, absolutely amazing.
They absolutely are amazing. Stocks at record highs, crypto also at a record. Is crypto on your radar?
Well, it has to be on everybody's radar. We're an equity exchange. We focus on equities, but there are equities based in crypto. And the run has been on since the election, up 45%. It's getting a little bubblicious for me, so I wouldn't go chasing now that we've got above 100,000. But it is an asset class that's here to stay and should be monitored closely, but it's not what I follow in my day-to-day studies.
Okay, in just about 30 seconds, Powell seems to be bullish on the economy based on his comments yesterday.
Powell was very cheery yesterday. Maybe this Christmas spirit got your own, but we'll watch for him. We've got 2 data points to watch. Friday, unemployment number. Next Wednesday, the CPI number. And then their last meeting, the FOMC meets on the 18th. Let's see if we get that last cut. If we get that, then my God, I think we do see Santa, stay here a little longer than he's been.
Santa's going to come. Markets pricing in a 75% chance of that, Jay, into the closing bell. Let's warm up your hands and dance to this drum line, please. Thank you. Your best New York Stock Exchange dance moves. That's right. Okay, so we got a whole host of activities for our viewers watching. Markets are about to close, but this party continues, Jay. You're going to be here. Everyone within the NYSE community is going to be here. We got all sorts of tourists and locals around too, of course, taking advantage of the vendors.
Don't forget the tree.
And that tree, it's going to be lit at 6 p.m. Eastern. Since it's just about 4 p.m. Eastern, let's take a listen to that closing bell.